Welcome to the Advanced WordPress Mastery Kit Chapter 21. Reading Settings. In this video tutorial we are going to take a look at the reading settings, step by step. So let's get started. So on WordPress dashboard, go to Settings and select Reading from here. First you need to set your homepage displays to either your latest posts or a static page, for which you need to select First Homepage, in which you can see only one page. If you want to add more pages, go to Pages and select Add New from it. Then select Blog Pages Show at Most. Let's select your latest posts, then next you need to set it. After that we have Syndication Feeds Show the most recent. Then for each post in a feed, include, select either full text or summary. Then we have Search Engine Visibility. Check this box to discourage search engines from indexing this site, and finally click on Save Changes. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 22. Discussion Settings. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at the discussion settings, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.